9 we are in triangles. Question number 5 we are doing of exercise 3.1. Find xyz from the figure. Find x, y, z, and the figure is like this. Here the point is T, E, M. This point is N. This point is R. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. This angle is 140 degree and this angle is 100 degree. So we can find this Y angle because the sum of these two is 180 degree. This is a line and this one and this one is a linear pair. So solution, angle TEN means this plus angle NEM plus angle NEM equal to 180 degree. Why? These are the linear pair angles. That's why. Therefore, 10 is how much? 10 is 100 plus NEM is y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, y equal to 180 degree. This plus 100 will go there and will become minus 100, and therefore y is equal to 80 degree. This one part is over. Now similarly, this z angle we can find. So angle EMR means this exterior angle, EMR means this, plus angle EMN is equal to 180 degree. The reason is LPA, linear pair angles. Therefore, EMR is 140 degree plus angle EMN is Z. This is Z only they have written. That is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, Z is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree, and therefore Z is equal to, this will be 40 degree. This another answer is more. Now I want x. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Reason is sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, x we have to find. X plus y. Y value is 80 plus z we have just found 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x plus this sum will be 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, and therefore x is equal to 60 degree. So all the answers, finally you will write the answers, or otherwise this y is 80 degree, x plus y is equal to this exterior angle. The theorem is remote interior angles. X plus y is equal to 140 degree, y is 80, x plus 8 is equal to 140 degrees. So x is equal to 140 minus this 80. So hope that you have understood this sum. Now I will go for question number 6. All these questions are very important questions. Now question 6. Ray AB parallel ray DE. Find angle DRE and angle ARE. And the figure given is, I will take another pen. The figure is like this. This is that figure. Here it is B, here it is A point, here it is D point. This angle is given to be 70 degree, and here it is E point. From E point there is one segment joining to this point R, and this is 40 degree. So what I want is, I want to find DRE. DRE. So this angle and ARE. ARE. And this angle I want to find. See that these are the parallel lines. If these are the parallel lines, then see this way and this way. And here it is A and here it is D. This is 70. So this angle is also 70 degree, alternate angles. So this angle I have got. How much it will be? It will be 70 degree, this angle. This I can find. So how to solve? Solution. Ray AB parallel ray DE, and AD is the transversal. Therefore, angle BAD equal to angle ADE. Reason is, means angle A and angle D. Reason is alternate angles. Alternate angles. Therefore, angle BAD is how much? 70. So angle ADE equal to 70 degree. Now this I have got. This I am writing now. This is 70 degree. Now as this is 70, this is 40. Sum of this triangle in triangle DRE. Angle DRE plus angle RDE means ADE. Angle RDE plus angle DER is equal to 180 degree. Reason is sum of the angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is the reason. Therefore, so DRE is how much? DRE, don't know. So angle DRE plus angle RDE. RDE is nothing but ADE. So this is 70 degree. Plus angle DER is 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So here DRE is equal to RDE is nothing but ADE. So reason is angle RDE is equal to angle ADE. It is one and the same. Only two different names are there. Therefore, angle DRE plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DRE is equal to 110 degree minus 180 degree. 180 degree minus 110 degree. Therefore, angle DRE is equal to 70 degree. So DRE also 70. See that? 70 plus 70, 140 plus 40 is 180. So correct. So from this, for the scholar students, it may be asked also that show that DE equal to RE. This is 70, this is 70. So the base angles are equal. So the sides are also equal. Now I want to find ARE. ARE also. Angle DRE means this angle. DRE means this angle plus angle ARE equal to 180 degree. This angle plus this angle. So they are on the same line. So LPA, linear pair angles. Therefore, DRE is 70 degree plus angle ARE equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ARE is equal to 180 minus 70. Therefore, angle ARE is equal to 108 degree. So, hope that you have understood this. This is 110. This is 70. Or otherwise, this and this you know. So this is the exterior angle. Sum of these two is equal to this. So 70 plus 40 is 110. So by the remote interior angle theorem also you would have proved this. So I am rubbing this question number 6. So we go for the next question. Question number 7. Most important question. Question 7. Very, very important. In triangle ABC, very, very important question for all the schools. Bisectors of angle A and angle B. Angle B intersect at point A. Intersect at point O. O. Angle C equal to 70 degree. Find angle AOB. This is that question. Very, very important question. So I will draw the figure. So the angle which is given, this is C I will take, this A I will take, and this I will take B. Angle C is 70 degree, this is 70 degree. Now the bisector of this, means angle bisector of this will go like this way. The bisector of this will go like this. And they intersect in the point O. I want to find this angle. This angle is how much? So first of all, what I will do is solution. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle C plus angle A. A means what? I will say BAC. A means I will say BAC. Plus angle B. Angle B means I will call ABC. ABC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the reason you have to give it. Therefore, angle C is how much? 70 degree. Plus angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore, angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to 110 degree. Okay. So, the sum of this angle, this total ABC, this angle A, BAC, and this total angle ABC, their sum is this plus this is equal to 110 degree. If I make the half of this, I will get this angle. If I make half of this, I will get this angle. So, therefore, 1/2 angle BAC plus 1/2 angle ABC is equal to 1/2 into 110 multiplying by half. Therefore, half of BAC, this is BAC, this, and this is the angle bisector. Half of this is nothing but this. So OAB. Therefore, angle OAB plus half of this is OBA or ABO plus angle ABO is equal to, this will be 55 degree. This is number 1. Here I am giving number 1. Now in this triangle, in this smaller triangle, now in triangle OAB, angle OAB plus angle OBA plus angle, means OAB means this angle plus OBA means this angle plus this angle, that is AOB, equal to 180 degree. And reason you know, angles of a triangle, sum of angles of a triangle, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This reason you have to give. Therefore, but the sum of these two I have got here. It is 55. So 55 sum of these two plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Here I will take from 1. From this I have understood. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5, 6, 2. So this will be 125 degree. Angle AOB is 125 degree. This way, hope that you have understood this. So now we will go for some two questions are remaining in this. Question number 8 and 9. This was a very important question. You have to see it again and again and try to solve it. Nowadays, what happened I don't know. The video is not getting very clear. That's why I am talking. From my words you can do it. Question 8. So in question 8, line AB parallel line CD. Line AB parallel line CD. So from all other informations are given. Prove that means PT angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. This I have to prove. So the figure I am going to draw here. This is line AB. This is another line CD parallel to it. This line is CD. And there is a transversal. This point is P. And some work is done here. This way and this way. And this point of intersection is T. Here some marking is given. This is x, this is 0, 0. The meaning of this is this angle and this angle is equal. This angle and this angle is equal. That means it is a bisector. So from this, I have to find this angle T. So, solution. Line AB parallel line CD, and the name for this point is Q, and PQ is the transversal. Okay, therefore, see this, if these two lines are parallel, then this angle and this angle, the sum of them will be, say suppose this is x, this is y, these are the interior angles, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. This property we know, in it also we have seen this. Therefore, angle BPQ plus angle this is BPQ plus angle PQD is equal to 180 degree. By mistake don't write linear pair angles. This is the interior angles. sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles. Angles is 180 degree. This is the reason. Always remember this. Sum of interior angles is 180 degree. Alternate angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. Congruent you can write or equal you can write. Okay. Now I know sum of this plus this is 180 degree. But this is made half. If I want to take this is the half of this. If I want to take this is the half of this. So I will multiply by half. Therefore 1 upon 2 angle BPQ plus 1 upon 2 angle PQD is equal to 1 upon 2 into 180 degree multiplying by half. Therefore half of BPQ is half of this is nothing but this, and what is this? TPQ. Therefore angle TPQ plus half of this PQD is how much? Is this PQT plus angle PQT is equal to, this half will be 90 degree. Here you have to give the reason. PT is the ray PT will say. Ray PT is the angle bisector. Angle bisector of angle BPQ and ray QT is the angle bisector of angle PQD. That's why we have written like this. This is your number 1. Now in triangle, which is the triangle? PTQ. PTQ. Angle PTQ plus angle, this angle TPQ plus angle, now this angle PQT. PQT is equal to how much? 180 degree. Reason? Sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the reason. Therefore, but the sum of these two is how much? See this? 90 degree. So angle PTQ plus this is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree is proved. So here give the reason. Sum of these two is 90 degree. From where you have understood? From 1. So you will write from 1. And this is the proof. Hope that you have understood it pretty well. So we'll go for the 9th question of this exercise. All the most important questions we will solve all. And those which are very simple questions, I will leave it for you. You try and solve those. Otherwise the videos become very long and then uploading is a problem. Question 9. From the figure find angle A. From figure find angle A, angle B and angle C. And the figure is like this. This is the figure. Here it is A, here it is C, here it is B. This is 70 degree. This is 100 degree. So from B, we can find what is this. So solution, angle B equal to 70 degree. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Have you understood this? Like this. See, like this. This angle and this angle is same. This angle and this angle is same. Because they are called as the vertically opposite. This is upward, this is downward. This is right, this is on the left. These are called as the vertically opposite angles. So 70 and B are vertically opposite angles. Though the question is short, but it will carry more marks. Angle C plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. See this, these two angles, their sum is 180 degree. They are linear pair angles. Reason is linear pair angles. Sum of linear pair angles is 180 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Therefore, angle C equal to 80 degree. Angle C is over. Angle B is also over. Now, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Reason, sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Is 180 degree. The reasons you have to write. Therefore, angle A plus angle B is 70 degree plus angle C is 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus this is 150 degree. 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree, and therefore angle A is equal to 30 degree. So the answer you will write in the final step, angle A equal to this, angle B is equal to this, and angle C is equal to this. So that's all in this exercise. So in the next lecture we will start exercise 3.2 and we will see how much time we get. Accordingly we will work. Bye till then.